All right. Happy March the 1st. Still can't believe, we are in the month of March. But you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Dogecoin. You guys absolutely killed it with the support and the amount of people that, showed so much positive, feedback, means a lot to me. So continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates for you guys. So, if we're looking at Dogecoin today, it's down about 7.5%. And, before anyone comes out and says, whoa, 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 what exactly is going on? I want you guys to analyze majority of the markets, especially the top 100 coins. We're seeing a similar pattern with majority of the coins, and the reason as to why this is the case is because we did see the market take a little bit of a minor retracement, which is totally fine. Just a quick reminder for everyone before anyone gets a little spooked. You do want to see that Dogecoin is up 40.7% on the weekly time frame, and this is one of the largest asset classes in the crypto space. Not just a meme coin. We're talking about in the top 10 cryptocurrency market ranks. That is a huge deal, which a lot of people don't realize. And as I've said to you guys clearly yesterday, in my honest opinion, again, this is my own personal opinion, I just don't personally think anything has the capability of taking over Dogecoin as far as meme coin category is concerned. We will see battles going on with Shiba Inu and at those ranks, but getting to the Dogecoin level, I just don't see that ever happening because of course the number one first mover advantage, and just the presence that it has globally, just even outside of the crypto land. People that you don't even know anything about cryptocurrencies, when you see when you show that logo, it just resonates with people. And of course, Elon Musk is a huge factor behind that. So that's great, of course, and I don't want you guys to be forgetting about that. But if we're looking at the price of Doge right now, currently sitting at 11.86 cents. So, that's looking obviously really good. And we're down about 5.8% over the past 24 hours in BTC comparative. Now, for shifting our focus towards the market valuation, we're sitting at $17 billion in terms of its market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3.7 billion, which is not bad at all. But before we pull out the charts and all that good stuff, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see this for yourself. Of course, some massive breaking news that Dogecoin mainnet has experienced a surge in holders. And again, guys, come on, is this a surprise? Is this really a surprise? We're seeing Dogecoin hitting some levels we haven't seen for over a year. And obviously this is going to bring in a lot of attention. When you are seeing Dogecoin making moves like this, it's going to attract a lot of people, and especially people that love meme coins. And as you guys know, meme coins are taken really seriously. People hedge their portfolios with meme coins, believe it or not. Sometimes people hold some great, strong fundamental, projects that have massive amounts of fundamentals, but they also, put Dogecoin or the likes of other meme coins for more speculation. Of course, higher risk, higher reward with Dogecoins because these are based off of more of the community backing. So obviously Dogecoins are extremely sought after, and again, not a surprise in terms of the holders increasing at a massive rate. And in my opinion, this is just the absolute start. The fact that the craziest thing is, I still can't wrap my head around this. In my personal opinion, the bull market has just recently started as far as altcoins are concerned. And the fact that Dogecoin has a market cap of $17 billion at the start is just something I cannot wrap my head around. And as of now, we've been obviously waiting for X, which is, of course, used to be formerly known as Twitter. We know the connection between the two. Elon Musk has given massive amounts of hints before, but there's speculation that even I on my channel have been kind of talking about pretty much since the acquisition. Since the overall purchase of Twitter from Elon Musk. I was like, he's going to come and implement Twitter on their platform, and rather than giving USD to the people that are earning money on Twitter in terms of content creators, I think he's going to start doing that with Dogecoin. And what if, again, this is pure speculation at the end of the day, this is my own personal opinion, me just trying to have some fun, but what if the bull market starts, Dogecoin starts gaining a lot of traction, and then they come and make this announcement? What massive magnitude would that play? That would be humongous, because we're talking about one of the biggest social media platforms where people, millions and millions of people engage, and that is going to be just absolutely insane, and I think that could take Dogecoin to a level that no one could have imagined, which it already has gotten to at this point. But that's that. Of course, that's looking really nice. As far as BTC is concerned, Bitcoin is holding back above $60,000 support line, and that is to be expected because we're pretty much got above this key resistance level without having any sort of problem. So that should not be coming as a surprise to anyone right now. And honestly, all-time high talks are being discussed within the community. So again, that is also something that should not be surprised. But if you're looking at the price of Doge right now, 11.84 cents, we're holding really strong right now, especially after breaking out of the resistance at around, you could say, 11.24 cents. This is a key resistance. We did retest that back in December, but when we retested it back in December, we saw a clear rejection. But this time around, obviously due to the overall market push, thanks to BTC, we did see Doge making that move. But it still has a long ways to go. What if I told you, Dogecoin bear market cycle is still in play? What I mean by bear market cycle is that after a huge pump last bull market, we do tend to see a huge correction during the bear market, when the things kind of cool off, and we pretty much been ranging back within this level, which I kind of discussed, right between the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement resistance. And once we cross back here, I think this is where fireworks really begin. And we're only 35.75% away for that to happen. Now you guys might be thinking, oh, Crypto ZX, 35.5% is a massive chunk of money that will need to be flowing into Dogecoin in order for Dogecoin to see that move. But honestly, do you want me to give you guys a reminder of BTC, how fast money flown in? We saw $200 billion over the last 3 days flow into BTC. Now, if you want to put that into perspective, that's like 10 times, more than 10x, Dogecoin's market cap. So money can flow in this space in a snap of a finger, and that's obviously something a lot of people do already realize. And yeah, so far so good. Loving how Doge is holding right now, and I am expecting a lot of more upside. Next main resistance, in my opinion, for Doge now is at the 13.765 cents, where we almost got at, but obviously saw a little bit of a minor pullback. But those are some targets that I'm keeping an eye out on. But so far so good. Long ways to go, of course, as far as the all-time high is concerned. But I really think as this market goes further into the bull market and goes after the Bitcoin halving is done, I think this is one of the coins that will take a lot of advantage in terms of a lot of money flowing, and usually the top 10 to top 20 do get the most benefit in terms of USDT Tether, or all these stable coins. Once massive whales start taking Tether out to start getting back into crypto, that's where the excitement really goes into these coins that I have just mentioned. But again, one step at a time. Of course, let me know down below what you guys personally think. What are your targets for Dogecoin at the end of this bull market, and also let me know if you want to see more Doge update. And yeah, other than that, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.